Pane zvinhu zvatinodzidzisana mukufamba umu. Pane zvinhu zvatinoudzana mukufamba umu. Pane munhu wandahwa achiti kwanzi a woman and a man become one when you get married or you're in a relationship. I strongly advise against it. Inini, this is my reasoning. By the way, madzimai, inini, I believe 1 + 1 = 3. Mumwe nemumwe akazvarwa achikwanisa kuzvigeneratira happiness yake ega. Before you met the person that you are with today, you were happy. You were able to make yourself happy without the influence of other people. But a lot of people now have turned to the outward world. They've externalized it all and hope that vanhu vari kunzoko would then justify and make them happy. We are all able to, we come with a pre-installed app that make ourselves happy. This is why you were happy as a child and happy before you met that person. When you were making your dreams, your goals, and chasing your dreams and making plans for your life, you were happy. Now, if you were able to be happy without the person that you're with today, you are still able to make yourself happy regardless of that person's actions. Now, nobody wants to marry half a person. Nobody wants to marry half a woman or half a man. Kana usipo handifari, kana usipo handikwanisi kufunctiona, munhu anotoita arrested development because someone is missing into their lives. I feel that is a sin on its own. Here's why. When you are financially independent and when you are emotionally balanced and you are mentally balanced and you love yourself and the person that you are creating every single day, you speak creation. Your word becomes your words become things. You become your environment as you make the person that you are trying to make or you're trying to achieve, right? That is called personal growth. And the personal growth comes with self-love. If you love yourself, you educate yourself every single day. You are a whole person. I don't want half a man. Kana ndisipo, I'll repeat this again. Kana ndisipo hato function. I want a whole man. Wokuti chero ndisipo inini anofana kutofara kusvika 100%. Because nobody wants anybody that is needy, madzimai. Needy is not cute. Kuchengera wone mumafesi, it's not cute. Now, when you enter a relationship as a whole person with your dreams and your independence and your confidence and everything that you built yourself to be, what you then create with this person or life makom is a third baby. So you have a whole self. Make sure you are your whole self when you enter a relationship. And he is his own whole self. What you then create is number 3. So 1 + 1 = 3. 3 being the relationship. I say this to say this. Should shit hit the fan? I hope not, but should it hit the fan? You are able to go through all that and what without crushing because you are still your whole self. You're up in the relationship. Now, a lot of people when they're going through a divorce, munu ano stroke, munu ano zvisungirira, mumwe anorohwa, mumwe ano zvikanda pasi pebridge because they have literally crushed because they have based their entire existence on another person. Which is a sin on its own. You are responsible for your happiness. Maturity is the ability to not let another person's actions affect your inner peace. It's difficult, but you can learn that. You can embed it into your subconscious mind. It's possible. Okay? So madzimai vese vanotwanzi inini murume wangu kana akasarara kumba handifari, inini murume wangu kana akatarana ningi handifari, it's wrong. Unofanira kuzvigeneratira sugar yako wega iwewe without that man. Zvichireva kuti paanoita anything hauzonyanya crash sterek because you're an independent person. 1 + 1 = 3. 3 being the relationship. Thank you.